Right, welcome back to the channel. Last video before Christmas, so I'd like to wish everybody a really Merry Christmas. I hope it all goes well for you. It's been tough times in the past year. It hasn't been easy. Everybody suffered from various states of how the world is and the position we're in. Just a short video. I just want to recap over the past year. As a lot of you know, a lot's happened to me in the past year. It's been a rough year, but I've come through it and everything's looking good. I say I had to quit the channel for a while just to sort out personal life. I appreciate everybody's support. The amount of messages I got was absolutely phenomenal, and I really appreciate it. Big thumbs up to my patrons. You've been absolutely brilliant, and as I say, a happy Christmas to every single one of them, and I hope next year is going to be a better year, but I really appreciate all the support you've given me in the past and hopefully in the future. Again, big thank you to all these subscribers, non-subscribers, people that have liked, watched. It helps the channel, it makes it grow. The channel subscriber rate is growing daily, nearly at another milestone, which is phenomenal, and I really appreciate it. From the bottom of my heart, it means a lot. You know, I'm just a normal guy in a garage, just tinkering away, and I decided to start filming what I do. I learn as I go. I'm not a mechanic, but I've learned so much in the time, and with the amount of support and help and the forums and people just helping, it brings people together, which is absolutely phenomenal. I'm nearly lost for words of how much it means, the support I get. You know, the chances I've had, and I say, I mean, doing the Triumph project was beyond my wildest dreams. It's been phenomenal, and it's so close to being finished, but we will get that finished after Christmas. I was hoping to have it done before, but say things have taken me a little bit more time as I learn, as I find out more things, obviously getting parts. But it has been such an experience, so hopefully the new year we can finish the bits off, get some fluids in it, and hopefully get it started. That will be phenomenal. Still got the exhaust to go on it yet, but it's been a great build. But like I said, it's just a recap over the year, as I say, of everything that's gone on. So again, I appreciate your support. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next year. As you can see, the bit of a mess I'm in at the moment. As I did explain some time ago, the circumstances obviously of what's happened this year. We've actually had to, well, back up and actually move house. Right, so that is basically the garage packed. Sorry for the bad lighting. I took the lights down. They weren't mine, so all that's left now is just 3 bikes. And there you go, empty. So just the ST, a few little bits that are going with me. Finally in the new garage. It's nice to actually be in here. It's actually quite it's a decent garage. Good lighting, right tall ceilings. I'll show you a quick pan around in a second. So I got 3 fluorescents and a really high ceiling Some of it's already been pre-boarded, but lots and lots of storage up there. But as I say, the ceiling height is well, I don't know if you can see that, but the other one I can touch quite easily. Right, so that is the box. So in a second I'll get a knife and we'll start going into it, but I'm sure you can guess by that part what's in the box. KZ650B is the proper one for the bike for the year. So let me get this unwrapped, put it on the bench and let you have a look. But I've searched so long and so hard for one of these at a good price, and this was a really good price. We come back in the next episode, it's back onto the engine. I need to get the clutch in, so install the clutch, get that all fitted. Still got clutch cover to do, points cover to do. One is actually get it turned over, because this hasn't turned over at all. I've never heard this run, so well, running might take a little bit longer. Here we go, moment of truth. Will it actually turn over? I have checked all the electrics, there was a loose wire. I seem to have everything. So into the run position, and fingers crossed. It's been a while since I've been on film, needed some time. I did explain beforehand I needed some time to break away. A lot's happened over the last year, and it happened a lot to other people, so I just needed time to actually sort outside life out before coming back in front of the camera. So not too much chrome, but just enough, I think. But let me know your thoughts. This is a special video for me. This is my 400th video, which is coming around so fast. It doesn't feel like I've done that many videos in this time, but yeah, they do add up. So yeah, number 400, which is a great achievement. I wouldn't be here without you supporters, subscribers, followers, people who watch my videos, keep the channel going. Another project coming into the garages is a real special project. Really looking forward to this one. This is so far out of my comfort zone. but it's going to be a big challenge, and I think it should be interesting. It's something totally different than I've ever worked on before.